The Pro Z has been a huge project for us. We didn't want this to be another Me Too. We wanted this to jump ahead of our competition. We took a lot of time to get this right. We're testing 16, 20 hours a day. Sunrise past sunset. And we're not talking about testing on manicured yards. We're talking about testing out in fields that were planted in crop 5 years ago. Rough testing, flat, hills, valleys, gullies, curbs. We're putting this thing through everything. If something was going to break, we wanted to find it here before it was found out in the field by a customer. Perception is reality. Landscapers, when they walk up to this machine, should see this is like nothing else that's out there. They'll notice material thicknesses all over this machine. The transmissions, the engines, the seat options, the deck options. We've got a unit here that can meet any landscaper's needs. I'll put this machine up against anybody on the market. Like I said, perception is reality. When you walk up on this thing, you tell right off the bat, it's a beast.